Hi, kindergarten. Today we are going to be introduced to our new sight words for the week. We are going to follow the read, spell, write routine. So if you want to get a piece of paper and a pencil to write, this would be a good time to do so. Or you can just write the word with your finger in the air. Okay, let's get started. Our first sight word for the week is the word where. The word is where. Your turn. Say the word where. The word where is spelled W-H-E-R-E. Your turn. Spell the word where. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word where. I'm going to use where in a sentence. Where is my shoe? Now I wanted to mention that where is a question word, as when you ask a question, you sometimes will ask where. So we call where a question word. Now let's look at our next word for the week. Our second word for the week is look. The word is look. Your turn. Say the word look. The word look is spelled L-O-O-K. Your turn. Spell the word look. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word look. I'm going to use look in a sentence. I like to look at books. Now, before we go, let's look at some sentences. Try to read these sentences and point to the words where and look. Pause the video if you need time for reading. Also, I wanted to mention there are some long O, silent E words in these sentences, so be on the lookout for those as well.